So every time I put gas in, it's going to leak right here. Looks like I got another leak right here that I did not know about. Okay, so what I want you to see here is that I'm building pressure up here because a radiator works under pressure, and when there's enough pressure, that leak is going to show itself. All right, so I am clear at the front of the vehicle. You can see that smoke pumping out of the exhaust. There is a significant hole right there. Today we're taking a look at the FOXWELL ST203 leak detector test. With this, you can do two different tests. You can do a pressure test with just air, and you can also do a smoke test if you happen to have a leak. This is going to be able to pinpoint where the leak is. Now, they sent this to me so I can show it to you, and so I'm going to show you everything about this unit right here, how to get it connected, and then we're also going to take it out to the vehicle and find a couple leaks out there as well. So this is your unit right here, and you do have a pressure gauge up at top. You also do have a regulator right here where you can control the flow of smoke that's coming out of the unit itself. On the side of it, this is going to show you how much oil you have in here so that you can create your smoke. And then on the back side, you're going to have your DC in, and then you're also going to have your smoke vent right here. You can just use regular old baby oil, so it's non-toxic and it's going to be safe for the environment, and it's also going to be safe to breathe. So what we're going to do is just pour this in just a little bit here. Next thing you want to do is take your power source, and this is going to be your DC volts, and this is going to connect to your battery. So if I have a battery right down here on the floor, so we're going to go ahead and get that connected, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm connected to the battery. Now I'm going to connect it to our leak detector, and then once you get that plugged in, you got your power light that's on, and then you got a light right here, which you're going to, green is going to be air, red is going to be smoke, and then you got your start-stop button right here. The next thing we're going to do is hook up our smoke vent, and this is going to connect to the back of the machine as well. The way you're going to use this is you're going to connect it to another hose, or you're going to connect it to one of the adapters that come with it. So first I just want to show you how quickly we get some smoke coming out of here. We're going to click it to the red, and then we're going to turn it on, and then within seconds we should have some smoke popping out of here. There we go. So what you would do with this is you would put it on an EVAP hose or a radiator hose or some other hose, and you're going to seal that off. And you can seal off the other end with some of these end covers that they give to you. They give you a variety of different sizes for that. Or you can connect it to one of these adapters. And these adapters you're going to be able to use in your radiator, your gas tank, or your exhaust system. So you're just going to put that in just like that, and then you're going to slip the adapter into, like this would be good for your radiator, and that's what we're going to use it for today. And then you got your other side here that you can connect that to your adapter. And then you've got a pump right here, kind of like a blood pressure cuff. You're going to pump that up, and then you're going to seal off. For example, we're going to use this one in our exhaust, and then when you turn that on, you're going to get some smoke coming out of there. You can see that smoke coming out of the end of that hole there. Control the flow of that smoke by using this dial right here. You see how that smoke just now trickles out? Okay, so everything is working correctly, and so it's time to go out to the vehicle. I'm actually going to take a battery with me because I do need to check my exhaust, and these cables are definitely not long enough to go from your engine battery to the back side of your vehicle for the exhaust. So I'm going to carry a battery with me and get these tests done, show you what they look like. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to check here is my gas fill hole. I know that I have a leak because there's always gas dripping when I'm at the pump, and so we're going to find out where that leak is. Fill up this hole just like this. So every time I put gas in, it's going to leak right here. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like when you're using it on top of the engine. I'm using my battery that is inside the truck, and then it also does come with this hook. I didn't show that to you in the garage, but that hook comes with it so that you can connect, so you can hook it up there on your hood. So we're going to be checking our radiator today to see. I know that I have a small leak in there somewhere. I just don't know where it is. This time we're just going to use air. As I said, I know that there is a leak in my exhaust. I just need to find out where it is. Tell you what, having this leak detector, it certainly allows you to do the work here at home. I think that every shade tree mechanic needs something like this in their garage so that when leaks do occur, you can find out where they are and get them fixed.